Sounds of Croydon proudly presents Still I Rise. Focus on mental health and Croydon youth violence at the West Croydon Baptist Church, corner of White Horse Road and St. James Road, Croydon, CRO 2JH. Performances on the night by Juanita Francis, Pastor Una May Sharp, Alison Warren, Renewed, Volney Morgan and New Ye, IDMC, Joshua Kessler, Toye De Toye, Chris Rowe, Esther King, and many, many more. Prayer ministering by Minister Charlotte Reed, NTA, Bishop Reed, GT, Chris Rowe, Croydon Jubilee, Stephen Brown Movements in Worship. Doors open 6 p.m. and showtime is 7 p.m. sharp. Admission is £10 adults for 16s and over. For tickets, contact Percy on 07931 374 418. This event is sponsored by Countryman Entertainment and Still I Rise.